We are a century-old enterprise with a time-honored history, with several famous brands dominating the global market. We believe honesty is the best policy, and we are a responsible, state-owned enterprise with the goal of going global. An enterprise with a long history. Looking back on the development, what makes the Guangzhou Tiger Head Battery Group Company Limited eternally prosperous and keep moving further and further? It is the hard work of generations of Tigerhead people. Tigerhead Group has formed a corporate culture of endeavor harmoniously. We keep on conducting product R&D, technological transformation, management innovation, and marketing innovation. The company's Li-ion battery and energy storage products are meeting the trend of new energy and create more environmental-friendly areas of our Earth. We build an all-new energy-conserving power source industrial park in Yunfu City with advanced technology and standard control. Ensure stability and traceability of products on each production line. Speed up the upgrading of products. Build the continuous development of China's Li-ion battery industry. We will continue to innovate the business model of the headquarters, adhere to a diversified product strategy, and achieve all-round development in the fields of energy storage, Li-ion batteries, to form a new economic growth point for the company to achieve great leap forward development. We will share the rich green, low-carbon future with everyone, and let Tigerhead from China continue to shine in the world.